Alright everyone, in this video we're going to define drink potion in such a way that the wizard regains full health when he steps over the bottle after it's appeared. And we're not going to completely do everything in this video. We're going to leave a couple of things undone for the next video. So the bottle isn't going to disappear when the wizard consumes it, which it should, but it's not gonna. And the health is not going to reappear in the bottle here. So you can see that what I've done, by the way, is I've put the health variable back on because I need the graphics aren't going to track this yet. The graphics aren't going to work again. They're going to not work for a little while. So we need the actual health variable on the screen. So remember how we do that. We just check it over here. So you can go ahead and do that. So here we started to define drink potion. So what is it that we want from drink potion? Well, we basically want an if-then. So this code up here is going to keep checking whether you're drinking the potion. And what does that mean? It means, well, are you standing over the potion? So we need an if-then. And I want an AND condition because I'm going to test for two things. So the first thing I'm going to test for is, are you standing over the potion? Are you the wizard? We're in the wizard code. So are you the wizard standing over the potion? So go to sensing, touching. Just drop it in the first AND slot. So touching boost. That's the name for the potion. So you count as drinking the potion if you're touching the potion. And don't forget, very important, the potion is visible. So we need an equals because we're going to test whether a variable has the right value. Which variable? The variable bottle visibility. And then what we're testing for is visible. So if you're touching the bottle and the bottle is visible, then you get your health back. So set health to 7. All right, now let's playtest this. So I'm going to begin by letting the ghost take away some of my health. Now, that's enough. Okay, now ignore the graphic here. What you're interested in is this. Where did that appear? Where is it? Can't see it. Okay, I need it soon, otherwise I'm gonna die. Ugh. Okay. Let's try that again. You might notice that since we got diagonal controls now, I can shoot in the diagonal because the lightning always goes in the direction that... Oh, I didn't lose any health. Ugh! So I can't test it yet. Why am I shooting this thing? Okay. So I lost a little bit of health. Lost a bit more. Lost a bit more. Now I'll get rid of it. Okay. Now where's that? There it is. If I stand over it, you saw it? My health went right back up to 7. And that's what I want. So, what I also want is I want the potion to disappear because it's been consumed, but we'll do that in the next video. For now, what I'm happy about is when I walked over the bottle, I went back up to full health. So in the next video, we'll make the bottle disappear, and then in the video after that, we'll make sure that the graphics match the health. Alright, I'll see you there. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.